Hello health enthusiasts! Today we dive into the world of natural supplements, particularly focusing on berberine. This fascinating compound is found in several plants including barberry, golden seal, and Oregon grape. It's a yellow, bitter-tasting alkaloid that has a long history of use in traditional Chinese medicine, where it's been utilized for its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and even blood sugar-lowering effects. But berberine isn't just an ancient remedy. Modern science has taken a keen interest in this golden compound, investigating its potential health benefits. In recent years, studies have suggested that berberine could be a potent tool for managing several health conditions, from high cholesterol to diabetes. But what about weight loss? Some people have started calling berberine a natural Ozempic, a popular weight loss drug. Intriguing, isn't it? So the question arises, could berberine be a natural Ozempic for weight loss? Let's delve deeper to find out. Berberine is not just another supplement, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. This vibrant yellow compound, hailing from various plants used in traditional medicine, is packed with health-enhancing properties. Firstly, berberine is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It fights off harmful substances known as free radicals, which can damage our cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Secondly, berberine is a friend to your heart. It's seen to improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and increasing good cholesterol. It also helps control blood pressure and blood sugar levels, making it a valuable ally in the battle against heart disease. But what's got everyone buzzing is berberine's potential in the world of weight loss. It's thought to aid in reducing body weight and controlling obesity by improving the function of fat-regulating hormones, like insulin and leptin. But the spotlight today is on berberine's potential for weight loss. How does it work? Let's explore. The mechanism of berberine's impact on weight loss is fascinating. At a molecular level, berberine works wonders to aid weight loss in several ways. First, it increases insulin sensitivity, which is a pivotal factor in weight control. By enhancing your body's response to insulin, berberine helps regulate your blood sugar levels, keeping those pesky cravings at bay. Secondly, berberine promotes fat burning. It activates a protein called AMPK, often referred to as a metabolic master switch. This protein boosts fat burning and decreases fat storage, helping you shed those extra pounds. Lastly, berberine helps reduce appetite. It influences various hormones involved in hunger and satiety, helping you feel full for longer. These claims aren't just hearsay, they are backed by scientific studies. Research published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine confirms these effects of berberine on weight loss. While the science behind it is impressive, how does berberine compare to other weight loss aids like metformin? When it comes to weight loss, berberine stands toe-to-toe with metformin. To illustrate this, let's delve into a fascinating study that compared the weight loss effects of these two compounds. Researchers meticulously monitored two groups over a 12-week period. One group was given berberine, while the other took metformin. The results? Both groups experienced similar weight loss. This is a remarkable finding considering metformin is a widely prescribed medication for managing type 2 diabetes and obesity, while berberine is a natural compound. This study suggests that berberine could be a natural alternative to metformin, especially for those who prefer natural treatment options or have experienced uncomfortable side effects from pharmaceutical drugs. And it's not just about weight loss. Berberine has also shown promise in managing blood sugar levels and improving heart health, much like metformin. But before you start taking berberine, it's important to know the right dosage and possible side effects. Like any supplement, berberine should be taken with caution. When it comes to dosage, studies suggest that for weight loss, berberine is typically taken in doses of 500 milligrams, 2 to 3 times per day. It's worth noting, however, that dosage can vary based on individual health factors, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Now let's move on to possible side effects. Berberine is generally considered safe, but some people may experience digestive upset, including nausea, diarrhea, or constipation. In rare cases, it may also cause a decrease in blood pressure or a slow heartbeat. It's important to remember that while supplements like berberine can support weight loss, they are not a replacement for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Remember, your health is your wealth. Always seek professional advice before making any changes to your health regimen.